quick tip for lunch today, making a salmon kale salad with some grilled veggies. I'm going to be using some bell peppers, onions, zucchini, mushroom, and I'm going to be sauteing my salmon. I buy these little packets of salmon at Walmart. It's like a package where they're all individually wrapped. This is what they look like. I've got quite a few of them inside the packet. I'll show you the package that they came in. Olive oil, so here we go. All my ingredients here. I've got the salmon. I went and took it out, rinsed it off, and just put it here in the plate. Now I'm gonna take some of my olive oil. I'm just gonna put that in the pan, turn it on. I'm gonna let that heat up just a little bit. We're gonna heat that up just a little bit. We'll start off, we're just gonna saute all of the veggies first, and then I'm going to grill the salmon because we'll put that on the top of the salad. And I've already got, I'm gonna set this to the side. We've got all of the veggies here. Got some zucchini, the purple onions, and I decided to use some red and yellow bell peppers, mix it up, and then a little bit of mushrooms. Heat this all up. I'm gonna dump everything inside the pan. Super easy. Get everything just chopped up. And then I'm just gonna saute this, and I'll probably put maybe just like a little bit of lemon pepper. I have some lemon pepper here, and put a little bit of, I use the Himalayan pink sea salt. I get both of these at Trader Joe's. So just saute these all up, kind of get them all cooked, and then we're gonna set this over to the side, and then I'm gonna grill the salmon in the same skillet. While this is cooking, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of the lemon pepper, and just saute them till the vegetables get kind of tender. You just don't want to overcook them. As you can see, the veggies are all starting to get really tender. You see it? It looks like. Now I'm going to just set these over on the side. Turn it off for a second. I'm going to set these over on the side just in a little plastic bowl. Be adding that to on top of the salad in just a second. Set those to the side. I'm going to put just a little bit more olive oil here inside the pan. Turn it back on. Turn on about medium. Let this heat up just a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and just set my salmon here. And just let this cook for a little bit. You want to reduce that heat because it's kind of warm. Just like that. And I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil here on top because I'm going to put some lemon pepper and sea salt, kind of a lot, on top of the fish before I flip it. Take just a little bit of lemon pepper, sprinkle it on top of the fish. Just like that. And again, you don't have to add this if you don't like lemon pepper. Or just get creative with whatever spices that you like and put it on there. Add a little bit of sea salt. And it isn't going to take this long to cook because they're pretty thin slices. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip them. just like that. And now I'm just flipping all of these over. And if you want to add a little bit more lemon pepper to the other side, you can. I'm just going to add a little bit. I like lemon pepper, so a little bit of sea salt on there. Okay. Now again, like I said, these are going to cook really fast. And at the end, I'll show you a picture of the package of where I bought it. I think I got these at Walmart, and I'll show you the packaging. Here's the picture of the salmon fillets, wild caught. It's a 2-pound bag that I buy at Walmart, and they're all just like individually wrapped. So they make it perfect for if you just want to do like a quick lunch. Take one out, put it in the fridge, let it defrost, and then you're good to go for the next day. So the salmon looks like it's pretty much done. Pretty quick. So I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to set this over to the side. Get my bowl. Get my bowl out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put maybe like a couple of, maybe just one on this one, because that's quite a bit. I got quite a bit out. Some kale. Now we're going to go ahead and add the veggies on there. They're on top of the salad. Just like that. And I'm going to take one of the fillets, and I'm going to set that right there on top of it. And before I get finished, I'm going to go ahead and drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil and balsamic for the dressing. A little bit of balsamic. Just like that. And then we'll stir it all up, and there you go. There's a quick, easy lunch recipe for a kale salmon salad. I hope you like, and please subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks for watching.